Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to install this handlebars stabilizer kit, because especially if you have risers on your handlebar, the silent block that starts swinging back and forth like this, and it's a bad feeling. So we developed this kit. Is laser cut made, thickness is special, and also the shape is the right size and the right thickness to stabilize your handlebar. How you install it? You have to undo these nuts to have access to the bottom of the tripod clamp. Remove also the big nut here and lift this up. Then we remove two nuts of the support here, both, and we put two washers here and two washers underneath, and that's it. This is the handlebar support. When you remove it, okay, you have a thick washer on the bottom and a thin washer on the top. This one you don't need. You put this washer here, okay? You put it back on, then you have the other washer you can recognize as a different shape, and you put it underneath. Then you put the standard washer. Those two washers, they push around this silent block and they eliminate the swinging of the silent block. Okay, so the exact combination is like this. Upper washer, the round one, lower washer, different shape, and standard washer on the bottom. Upper washer fitting exactly, and it is slightly higher than the silent block. So this one is going to be stable because it fits on the external part of the. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and ask for more videos if you want to know something more.